So behaviour-based risk management or behaviour-based safety is essentially where you're trying to connect with people and their behaviours to ensure that safe behaviours are actually consistent throughout a business, and that ultimately gets the biggest return on investment in terms of safety. So it goes beyond ticking boxes and compliance and actually connects with people and their day-to-day behaviours and ownership of same. As a frontline manager, one of the biggest things that will add value is to create a feedback loop. Ensure you have feedback for your operational team, because lots of times in businesses, risk is obviously very dynamic. Depending what business you're in, there will constantly be risk. So if your operational team are identifying things which they should be, and then it's coming up to facility management level, oftentimes nothing happens then, and more and more lists just chokes the system and there's not feedback. So the biggest thing would be feedback and then prioritising what risks can and should be identified and controlled.